friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roshan, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the Windows 10 build 18356. This is part of the 19H1 development branch. The final build in this development branch will be released in April 2019, and we are inching towards the final release. And as you can see, there is no watermark down below, and as I said, this is almost final, and we are only seeing minor changes and improvements, bug fixes, that's all. So let me show you the version number. So as you can see, the version number is 1903, OS build 18356, and I'm running Windows 10 Pro. And as you can see, there is no expiry date for this build, so this is almost final, but we'll see a better more improved build in April. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, see the final build update video. And yes, if you want to watch the 20H1 development branch build reviews, then I'll put a link down in the description, or you can see a card up here. So the latest build in that development branch is 18855. So if you want to watch that video, I'll put a link down in the description or put a card up here. And as you can see, there are some changes. So the main change is you can mirror the phone screen of your smartphone into your PC. So the phone app has improved its features. So this is one of the feature. So it's more like an emulator. The phone screen will be shared to your desktop, but currently this feature is not available to every phone. So the phones like Samsung Galaxy S9, S10, S8, all these phones which have the almost like Bluetooth 5.0, which has the capability of low energy radios. So as you can see, the requirements, the select Android phones, so not available for iOS yet. So running Android 7.0 or greater, Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, S9, S9 Plus, and as you can see, they are still not available for S10 series. And Windows 10 PC with a Bluetooth radio that supports a low energy peripheral role. So as you can see, that's basically if you have a Bluetooth 5 or Bluetooth 5.1, you will be able to use this, and in future builds we will see an improvement to this particular feature in the phone app. You will be able to get this update via the Microsoft Store. So this is the update to the phone app. And the last thing they mentioned as a requirement is Android phone must be on within Bluetooth range of the PC and connected to the same network as the PC. So that's the requirements, and there are some issues with this build and there are some issues with this feature. So I'll put the link to the blog post down in the description, some general changes and improvements and fixes for this PC. So basically we have only fixes, there are no improvements other than the phone app. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, please hit the bell notification icon. I'll put out every build video that I can, because most of the builds now we are receiving does not have any particular feature. That's why I skipped a couple of builds in the past. Yes, subscribe to my channel for the more build videos, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.